Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Recently I've been having a lot of comments of people asking where I got my miniatures from. So today I want to showcase all the miniatures I have from my Escape from Tarkov supplement. So we start here on the right side of my table with some miniatures from turn-based miniatures. Actually these were not supposed to be used in that supplement. This is actually a MARSOC team. This is planned for later use, but since I didn't had all the miniature when I started doing some of the first mission, I just used them as placeholder. So I'm probably not going to use them for the next following mission, since now I have all of my guys, but they look pretty cool. I've modded a couple. So for example, that one was supposed to be a police officer. I just placed an headset with a head with a headset, a backpack, and a weapons. That guy here, the head is coming from Anvil Industry, and all the other, these are all from turn-based miniature that I printed from Ludo Cortorum in France. Next up, we have a first team of USEC PMC. The USEC faction in Spectre Operation Tarkov is a team of Western PMC, and it's actually not the good guy in the game, but they look really cool. Same thing here. That one was supposed to be a police officer. I've added a backpack from Anvil Industry, and the sniper rifle, the M24 maybe, is from the Assault Group, and all the others are native from turn-based miniature, except that backpack that I also added on that one. Next team is another team of USEC PMC, that's that one. So here we have two heads coming from those two guys walking. The head are coming from Anvil Industry. All the other stuff is from turn-based miniatures as well, printed in 3D by Ludo Cortorum. Next up, we have a team of Bear PMC. The Bear faction is the Russian faction of private military contractors. All those guys are coming from Spectre miniature with just a head swap for all of them except that one and that one with the helmets. That team is based on the Red series of video that you can find on the Escape from Tarkov YouTube channel. It's a really cool video, and I encourage people interested in Spectre Operation Tarkov to have a look at that video. So that's the Russian faction, the Bear team. So here we have another team of Bear PMC. That team is mostly inspired by the video game, wearing Altyn helmet and some other Russian gear. We have a shotgun on the left, an AK-SU also on the left, and some we have a PP Vintiaz in the front, and some other AKs. Also really cool, also coming from a turn-based miniature printed in 3D by Ludo Cortorum in France. Then we switch to the Raiders Cav. It's a shady group of armed people who, according to rumors, consist of former PMC operator and local residents. Another enemy faction. We have three guys here on the right coming from Empress Miniature. We have one guy here coming from Spectre. And those 4 guys here are coming also from turn-based miniature printed in 3D. So that's the Raider PMC, the Raider Scav. Now let's have a look at the Scavs. And for the Scavs, I have quite a lot of them, as you can see here. So let's have a look closer. Here we have mostly Spectre miniatures. And yeah, I think there are only Spectre miniatures for my Scav, with just a couple of exceptions. Like here, that shotgun guy here, I think it's from the Assault Group, with the head from Anvil Industry. Next up we have 2 guys here that is coming from Crooked Dice, the 2 guys with the sewn off shotgun. On the roof here we have 1 sniper from Spectre. That gun is also from Crooked Dice with a weapon swap from the Assault Group. I wanted him to have some kind of Mosin Nagant. And here that other sniper is from Empress Miniatures. Dropping down, here we have another part of the Scav faction. Those guys have been painted by Little Ninja Painted across some of the other team you saw earlier, and I'm really pleased. I just received them, that's why I'm doing that video today, because I just received that box from Little Ninja. Some of them I think are from Spectre Miniature. Yeah, looking at that, actually those 2 here are from Empress, and all the others are from Spectre. And actually here we have 1 guy from Assault 3, the guy with the pistol. So that's for all the Scavs. Next up we are having a look at the Russian military forces. So here we have the regular soldiers. That team is from Empress Miniature again. Really cool looking guys for just some regular infantrymen. And finally here on the right I have some guys from also Spectre Miniatures. So here is more like Special Forces, Russian Special Forces, GRU, FSB. Not even sure I'm going to use them in the Starkov supplement, because it was a placeholder at the start, but this will be useful for one of my next supplement, probably next year or the year after. So that's all the miniature I have for my supplement Spectre Operation Tarkov. There's just one last thing I need to build and paint, it's that red Black Powder Red Earth, but that will be a surprise later on for that supplement. And that's it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching it, and I will see you guys for the next one. Bye everyone!